Load paper and other media for printing or scanning in the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 580, 590, and 5100 printer series. Follow these steps to learn how to load different types of paper into your HP printer and change media settings. Load standard paper. Raise the input tray. Slide the paper width guide to the left. Insert paper into the input tray until it stops. Make sure paper is inserted in portrait orientation with the print side facing up. If you are loading small size paper, make sure the paper stack is aligned with the far right side of the tray. Slide the paper width guide to the right until it stops at the edge of the paper. Pull out the output tray extender. Load envelopes. Raise the input tray. Slide the paper width guide to the left. Insert one or more envelopes into the far right side of the input tray. The side to be printed on should face up. For envelopes with a flap on the long edge, insert vertically with the flap on the left side. For this envelope type, make sure the flap is closed. For envelopes with a flap on the short edge, insert vertically with the flap on top. Slide the paper width guide to the right against the stack of envelopes until it stops. Pull out the output tray extender. Load paper onto the scanner glass. Lift the scanner lid. Place the original document print side down on the scanner glass. Make sure it is aligned with the indicated corner. Close the scanner lid.